So because in this video, what we will be doing is we will be focusing on sine rule, cosine rule, and area of triangle. So, looking at the shape, you have to figure out that what rules you will be applying over here. So now I want to find BD over here. So this is the subject, what I have to find. So looking at the shape itself, I want to find BD. I will be taking help of this triangle first. So here I can see that I can apply sine rule over here. So sine 50 degree over 6 is equal to sine 48 degree over BD, which is my x, right? So in order to find BD, what we will be doing? We will be doing like this. BD will be taken on this side, sine 48 into 6 cross multiplication, and this will come here, sine 50, correct? So then straight away on the calculator, just take sine 48 into 6 divide by sine 50. So you will be getting 5.83. So I got my BD as 5.82. It is 5.82. So this I got as 5.82. Right? Now what they have said, AD. So I have to find this. I have to find this AD. Now in order to find that AD, as I have to find AD, I know that this AD is my A. That is my subject. Now, see, if I want to apply, I have got two sides. I have to find AD. If I want to apply my cosine rule over here, definitely I cannot apply sine rule over here because I don't have any degrees with me. But I can definitely apply cosine rule over here. On the basis of this, I can find this degree. Sum of all the angles of triangle is 180 minus 50 minus 48. I got this as 82 degree. I will apply linear rule. 180 minus 82. I got this 98 degree. So this clearly indicates that I cannot apply sine rule, but I can apply cosine rule because I have got two sides. I have got one angle. So what is my, I want to find this AD. So that is my A. So opposite to A, this is my cos A, right? So here my A is the subject. So A square is equal to B square. I can take anything. Plus C square is 8 square minus 2 into 5.82 into 8 into cos 98, right? We will just take everything on the calculator. 5.82 square plus 8 square minus 2 into 5.82 into 8 into cos 98. We will get A square as 110.83. Take square on another side becomes root. A is equal to 10.52 centimeters. So I've got my A as 10.52, which is equivalent to 10.53 centimeters, right? Now they have said find the area of triangle. Area of triangle with the help of your degree is half. See, because this is a non-right angular triangle, so we cannot apply our basic triangle formula, half into base into height. No, we cannot apply because it is a non-right angular triangle. So we will apply half into base. This is 8 centimeters into this side, which is 5.82 centimeters, and related to both this sides there is this, which is 98. You will always take that as sine 98 because you have got two sides. So then calculate 8. Always remember, related to two sides, whatever angle is in the between, that will be considered as your angle, which is sine 98. So 8 into 5.82 into sine 98 divide by 2 is your degree area, which is 23.05 centimeters square. Correct? Now let's go to the next variant. It is same type, easy way of finding area of triangle. Again, non-right angular triangle. So half into 6 into 7 into sine 60. When you will take all these things on your calculator, you will get answer as 18.19 centimeters square. Next, similar thing here, they have said calculate smaller angle of this triangle. So opposite to smaller side is your smaller angle. So as this is your smaller side, This is my smaller angle. So as I have to find the smaller angle to this, what I will apply? See, I have got over here all three sides. So when we have got all three sides, that means we will apply cosine rule. So opposite to smaller side, this is my smaller angle, which is A. So opposite to this A, this will be my A. So in case of cosine rule, it is important to determine your A, and then you can take anything B and anything C. So A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2 into B into C into cos A. Correct? I will be taking all these things on another side. Divide by negative 2 into 17 into 13. I want to find A. So I'll take this cos inverse is equal to A. When you will be taking all these things on your calculator, you will be getting A as 31.47 degree, right? Let's go to the next type. Here everything is being given. You have to find angle ABD. That is this. So as I have got 2 degrees and one side, that means on the basis of this triangle, I can apply sine rule. So sine 68 over 8.4 is equal to sine 50. On the basis of that, I will get sine BD. So in order to find sine BD, you will take everything on the another side, cross multiplication. Sine 50 is multiplied by 8.4. This thing, when comes in denominator, becomes division. So we will be calculating all of this, right? So here, this will be not sine BD, it is only side BD. So BD, when you will be putting all this data on your calculator, you will be getting your BD as 6.94 centimeters. So now I have got this 6.94 centimeters. So here there are three sides into consideration. We already know that when we have three sides, we will be applying cosine rule over here, right? As I have to find this angle, this is my subject A. So as I have to find A, this will become my A. So here A square is 5 square is equal to B square, which is 6.5. B square is equal to 6.5 square, 6.94 square minus 2 into 6.5 into 6.94 into cos A. Correct? Same thing again. 5 square minus 6.5 square minus 6.94 square divide by negative 2 into 6.5 into 6.94. I want to find A. So I'll take this cos also on another side. Cos inverse is equal to A. When you will be feeding all of this data on your calculator, you will get your A as 43.53 degree. Got it? So we got our subject, that is angle ABD. This angle ABD is equal to 43.53 degree, right? Let us go to the last type, perimeter of triangle. So I want perimeter means adding all these sides. So I have to find this side. They have given area of triangle as 25 centimeters square. So area of triangle is 25 centimeters square. I've got this and this. So this angle will be related. So 25 centimeters square is equal to half into 10 into 8 into sine A. Correct? Because we have to find this angle related to this side, we will be finding this angle. So then when we will be putting this all data on our calculator, it will be like this. Correct? So what you will be doing, 25 divide by 40 into, not into sine inverse, you will be just taking sine inverse is equal to A. So just do 25 divide by 40, sine inverse is A, which is 38.682. So I got this as 38.682, right? I have got this as 38.682. I want to find this BC. So opposite to this 38.682 is my BC. So that means this will become A. This angle is given. This will become A. I can take anything B. and I can take anything C. So I will be applying my cosine rule over here. A square is equal to 10 square plus 8 square minus 2 into 10 into 8 into cos 38.68. So when I'll be solving this, I will be getting my A square. So let us quickly solve this. 10 square plus 8 square minus 2 into 10 into 8 into cos 638.68. So I will be getting A square as 39.09. Remember, I don't want A square, I want only A. So take square on another side becomes root. So A is equal to 6.25, which is equivalent to BC. So I got this as 6.25. So now perimeter will be adding all these sides. So 8 plus 10 plus 6.25 is the perimeter, which is 24.25 centimeters. That is it, kiddos. Yeah, your no unit is given, so you will not write centimeter, you will write unit because no unit is given. So answer will be 24.25 unit. So just go through the video properly and everything is sorted.